now next point is maxima and minima for one independent variable. So suppose f of x is one function. F of x is one function. So we have to determine the maximum value and minimum value for this function. In that, sometimes some closed interval will also be provided between interval a to b. So now let's look at one sketch. So this is the graph of f of x with respect to x. So suppose I have this type of graph. Okay, so if I mark the points, let 1, 2, 3. So from 1 to 2, the function is increasing function. From 2 to 3, the function is decreasing function. And at 2, the function attains maximum value. So from 1 to 2, function is increasing. From 2 to 3, function is decreasing. And at 2, at x equal to 2, function attains maximum value. And at this point, the function attains maximum value or minimum value is called as the stationary point. The point at which the function attains maximum value or minimum value is called as the stationary point. One more example, like I have one graph of f of x like this. So here from 1 to 2, function is decreasing. From 2 to 3, function is increasing. And at 2, 1 to 2, function decreasing. 2 to 3, function increasing. And at 2, at x equal to 2, function attains minimum value. Function attains minimum value. So here at this 2, we can say that here let us say value of x is also 2. So here we will say that this point is nothing but the stationary point. So we will be learning few points like when function attains maximum value. That means at what value of x function attains maximum value. At what value of x function has minimum value. Then we will find out maximum value of function. What is the maximum value of function? What is minimum value of function? So these many points we should be able to find out once a function is provided and interval is provided. फंक्शन मैक्सिमम कब होगा, फंक्शन मिनिमम कब होगा, x की कौन सी वैल्यू के लिए फंक्शन मैक्सिमम होगा, x की कौन सी वैल्यू के लिए फंक्शन मिनिमम होगा, फंक्शन की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या है, फंक्शन की मिनिमम वैल्यू क्या है. तो ये पॉइंट्स हमको लर्न करना है. सो प्रोसीजर इज दैट f of x is given to us and one interval is given to us. F of x is given and one interval is given. So what you have to do, you have to get the stationary points. To get stationary points, you have to differentiate this f of x and equate this f dash x with 0. So when we equate with this first derivative with 0, what we will get? We will get stationary points. We will get stationary points. Okay. After that, once again we have to differentiate this f of x दूसरी बार डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे, उसके बाद देन वी विल check the value of this f double dash x at stationary points. We will check the function value at stationary points. If f double dash x is greater than 0 at stationary points, stationary points कैसे मिलता है? फर्स्ट टाइम डेरिवेटिव को 0 से इक्वेट करने के बाद. If f double dash x is greater than 0 at stationary point, then this stationary point will give us minimum value. So at this point the function attains minimum value. At this stationary point the function will attain minimum value, and minimum value is calculated as, so you have to put this stationary point in f of x. You have to put this stationary point in f of x. You will get the minimum value of function. Minimum value of function. Once again I will repeat. So f of x is given in one interval. So you have to take first derivative and equate that derivative with 0. Derivative 0 से equate करने के बाद क्या मिलेगा आपको? You will get the stationary points जहाँ पे functions maximum या minimum होता. आपको ऐसी values मिलेगी जहाँ पे functions आपका maximum या minimum होता. Next, you have to take one more derivative and you just have to check whether it is greater than 0 or less than 0. If it is greater than 0, we are not interested in the value. We are interested whether it is greater than 0 or less than 0. If it is greater than 0, that second derivative is greater than 0 at stationary point, then we will say that at this stationary point we have the minimum value. And how to calculate minimum value? You have to put the stationary point in the function. So whatever value you get is the minimum value of the function. Suppose at stationary point, if this second derivative is less than 0, this second derivative is less than 0 at stationary point. कैसे मिलता है stationary point? f dash x equal to 0. You get this stationary point. If the second derivative is 0 is less than 0 at stationary point, then at this stationary point we will get maximum value. So function attains maximum value at this stationary point. And how to calculate maximum value? So you have to substitute this stationary point in f of x. So you will get the maximum value of the function. You will get the maximum value of function. So this is the procedure. It will be more clear once we solve the problem. So this procedure you are supposed to remember. Now let's look at one question. The minimum value of f of x equal to x square minus 4x plus 2 is. X square minus 4x plus 2 is. So we have to find out the minimum value of this function. So what is the procedure? First get the stationary point. How to get stationary point? So differentiate. So f dash x equal to, first find the derivative, x square derivative 2x minus 4, and that we have to equate with 0. So I have just differentiated x square minus 4x plus 2, derivative of constant is 0, x square derivative 2x minus 4x derivative minus 4. So what is the stationary point? X equal to 2x minus 4 equal to 0, 2x equal to 4, x equal to 1 by 2. So this is the stationary point. Okay. Now calculate f double dash x. So f double dash x derivative of 2x minus 4, 2. It is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means function has minimum value. Function has minimum value at stationary point. Minimum value at stationary point. Now in the question they have asked what is the minimum value of the function. So how to calculate minimum value? So you need to calculate the function value at x equal to 1 by 2. So this becomes 1 by 2 square minus 4 1 by 2 plus 2. X square minus 4x plus 2. तो x की जगह पे 1 by 2 पुट कर दो. So that is nothing but 1 by 2 square 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 0.25 minus 4 into 1 by 2, that means 2 plus 2. So the minimum value of the function is 0.25. So this is the minimum value of this function. Let's look at one more question. F of x equal to x square minus x minus 2 in the interval minus 4 comma 4. So maximum value of function is in the interval minus 4 comma 4. Okay, so what is the procedure? First get the stationary point. So f dash x equal to 0. So first of all f dash x 2x minus 1 and that is equal to 0. So x equal to 1 by 2. Then f double dash x. So derivative of 2x minus 1. So that is nothing but 2. It is greater than 0. So our method is not giving the answer. Okay, it is giving the minimum value because it is greater than 0. So it is giving minimum value. So our method is failed. So what you have to do? You should calculate the value at the stationary point as well as at these interval points. So just calculate the value of our function at 3 points. First point at x equal to 1 by 2. Then second point at interval points, interval ends, that means x equal to 4 and at x equal to minus 4. Interval end points are 4 and minus 4. So calculate at all these points our function value. Our function is x square minus x minus 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 2 minus 2. So its value is 1 by 4.25 minus 2.5. That means minus 2.25. Okay, you check please. Then at 4, so 16 minus 4 minus 2, that means 16 minus 4 minus 10. Okay, now next point, 16 minus x value is minus 4 minus 2, that means 18. So at these 3, our maximum, we have to determine the maximum value. In the question, what we have to determine? We have to determine the maximum value. So what is the maximum value coming? Maximum value coming is 18. So 18 is the answer. The maximum value of this function is 18 at x equal to minus 4. Okay, in this problem our method fails, but we should also check at the interval points to get the maximum value of the function. Let's look at one more question. F of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus minus 36x plus 2, and you have to tell stationary points. You have to tell stationary points and you have to tell when function is maximum, when function is minimum. At what value of x function is maximum, at what value of x function is minimum, that you have to tell. So f of x is 2x cube minus 3x square minus 36x plus 2. So f dash x. So 2x cube derivative 6x square minus 3x square derivative 6x minus 36. So this is the derivative. So equate this derivative with 0. You will get the stationary points. So after equating it with 0, what I will get? X square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. So just find out the factors. The factors comes out as x plus 2 x minus 3. You can get the values of factor in the calculator. So stationary points are x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 3. So these are the stationary points. Now at this point function will attain maximum or minimum. At this point x equal to 3 function will attain maximum or minimum. So to check whether at x equal to minus 2 function is maximum or minimum, what we have to do? Take second derivative. So f double dash x. So second derivative will be 12x minus 6. So calculate f double dash x at x equal to minus 2. So it comes out as 12 into minus 2 minus 6. That means minus 30. So it is less than 0. So function will attain less than f double dash x less than 0. F double dash x less than 0 means function attains maximum value at x equal to minus 2. बिकॉज एफ डबल डैश एक्स अगर लेस देन 0 है तो फंक्शन क्या होता? मैक्सिमम होता. प्लीज रिमेंबर, अगर एफ डबल डैश एक्स लेस देन 0 तो फंक्शन क्या होता? मैक्सिमम होता. एफ डबल डैश एक्स ग्रेटर देन 0 मतलब फंक्शन मिनिमम होता. देन once again I will calculate f double dash x at second stationary point. Second stationary point is x equal to 3. So 12 into 3 minus 6, that means 30. So it is greater than 0. Greater than 0, f double dash x greater than 0 means function attains minimum value at x equal to 3. So at x equal to 3 the function is minimum. At x equal to 3 the function is minimum. Now let's look at one more question. The maximum value of f of x equal to 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x minus 3 in the interval 0 less than x less than 3. So in this interval we have to find out the maximum value of function. Simple procedure. First get the stationary points. So f dash x, that means 6x minus 18x plus 12. So equate with 0. So that will be x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. That means x equal to 1, x equal to 2. X equal to 1, x equal to 2. So these two are the stationary points. Now f double dash x, calculate second derivative. So iska derivative nikalo. So 12x minus 18. Now calculate the f double dash x stationary point at x equal to 1. So it comes out as 12 minus 18, that means minus 6 less than 0. Less than 0 matlab maximum. Less than 0 matlab maximum at x equal to 1. So what will be the maximum value? So we need to calculate f of x at x equal to 1. So f of x at x equal to 1 will be, so 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x minus 3. So 2x cube. So 2 into 1 cube minus 9x square. So minus 9 into 1 plus 12x minus 3. So this is the function. I am in this function I am substituting x equal to 1. So minus 3. So its value is 2 minus 9 plus 12 minus 3. That means 2. So maximum value of the function is 2. But important point. You should also check the given interval. What is the given interval? 0 less than x less than 3. So you should also check at 0. You should also check at 3. इस इंटरवल में हमको फंक्शन की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. इस इंटरवल में हमको फंक्शन की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. तो इस पॉइंट पे भी हम चेक करेंगे. वी विल ऑल्सो चेक एट दिस पॉइंट फंक्शन वैल्यू एट दिस पॉइंट. So f of 0. First I will just write f of x, what is given in the question. 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x minus 3. So f of 0. So f of x at x equal to 0. तो ये हो गया 0 0 0 -3. ठीक है. नाउ एफ ऑफ एक्स एट एक्स इक्वल टू 3. तो ये हो गया 2 इंटू 3 क्यूब -9 इंटू 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 12 इंटू 3 -3. So 3 cube is 27, 27 into 2 54, minus 9 into 9 81, plus 12 into 3 36, minus 3. Use calculator. So it comes out as 90, 60, 90, 90 minus 9, 9 minus 3, 6. So its value is 6. So at x equal to 3, we are getting the function value as 6. And at the stationary point, we are getting the function value as 2. 2 बड़ा है कि 6 बड़ा है? 6 बड़ा है. So the function maximum value answer is 6 at x equal to 3. तो क्या है इस प्रॉब्लम का ट्विस्ट? हमने हमारी मेथड फॉलो किए, मेथड से हमको स्टेशनरी पॉइंट मिला, स्टेशनरी पॉइंट से हमने फंक्शन कैलकुलेट किए, तो वो फंक्शन की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू मिली 2. बट वी शुड ऑल्सो चेक एट द एंड पॉइंट्स ऑफ इंटरवल. वी शुड ऑल्सो चेक एट द एंड पॉइंट्स ऑफ इंटरवल. और हमको पता चला कि 3 पे फंक्शन की वैल्यू 6 है, जो कि स्टेशनरी पॉइंट से ज़्यादा है. तो 6 इज द आंसर. मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन इज 6. Now let's look at one more question. F of x equal to e raised to x plus e raised to minus x, and we have to find out minimum value of this function. Minimum value of function f of x is. Okay, what is the procedure? First get the stationary point. So f dash x equal to derivative of e raised to x minus derivative of e raised to plus e raised to minus x का derivative minus e raised to minus x. So equate this derivative with 0. So e raised to x equal to e raised to minus x. That means e raised to 2x equal to 0. So e raised to x equal to 1 upon e raised to x. So e raised to 2x equal to 1. Take log both sides. So 2x equal to log 1. Log 1 value is 0. So x equal to 0. So this is the stationary point. Now f double dash x, calculate f double dash x. So f dash x क्या था? e raised to x minus e raised to minus x. इसका डेरिवेटिव once again. So e raised to x का डेरिवेटिव e raised to x minus e raised to minus x का डेरिवेटिव plus e raised to x. Just look at the f dash x and find out its derivative. F dash x is this. इसका डेरिवेटिव ये आ गया. Then we will put x equal to 0. So it comes out as 2 because e raised to 0 plus e raised to 0 1 1 1 plus 1 2. So greater than 0 मिला, मतलब greater than 0 मतलब फंक्शन क्या है, मैक्सिमम या मिनिमम? फंक्शन इज मैक्सिमम एट फंक्शन इज मिनिमम एट x equal to 0 because if second derivative is greater than 0 means we get the minimum value. If second derivative is greater than 0 means we get the minimum value of the function. So at x equal to 0 our function is minimum. So our given function is e raised to x plus e raised to x, e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. So just calculate the function at x stationary point, x equal to 0. So it comes out as 1 plus 1 2. So the minimum value of the function is 2. So answer for this question is